Hello, Chef here. Once again, another recipe for you. I got these awesome golden potatoes. I'm going to show you how to prepare them. Very easy, very simple, and foolproof way. Starting with the mandolin. I've got it open to a wide stick cut, kind of like a, maybe just a large, here we go. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Just like that. Okay, over here we got some garlic. We're gonna smash that down. Uh-huh. We've got some onion. We're gonna put just a little bit of onion in with these potatoes. That's gonna kick it up a little bit. And the onion's going to be just a small dice like this. Uh-huh. Okay. I've also got 1 tablespoon of cut rosemary. Oh, it's going to be good. Okay, I got a hot pan here. We're going to add about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and the next step, of course, is to add the garlic. Let the garlic cook a little bit. And add the onions. Let it cook. Time to drain the potatoes into a colander. Okay, when the onions begin to get a little bit brown like this, the garlic and the onions, then you add your rosemary. Uh-huh. Okay, generous amount of fresh ground black pepper. And about a half a teaspoon of sea salt. Got some fresh ground sea salt in here. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Okay, now the potatoes go in. Uh-huh. Okay, aluminum roasting pan with a silicone nonstick liner. Spread those potatoes out on there. Uh-huh. We're going to let these babies bake 450 degrees Fahrenheit until they're nice and brown. The potatoes after 25 minutes. Roast pork with a little bit of port wine. Oh, that's gonna be good. The finished potatoes looking really, really good. Love the color. They smell really good. Put them here on the plate, right like this. A generous amount of these awesome potatoes. And then once we've got the potatoes on the plate, oh yeah, just like this, we're gonna add a few other items here. I've got some pork tenderloin cutlets. Let's put 1, 2, 3 like this. Uh-huh. As well as some of the natural pan juices. Little reduction I got going on here. Yeah. Yeah, that's looking really good. Of course, nice healthy meal, you gotta have some vegetable too, so we got that right here. Fresh steamed broccoli. Okay. There we go. Gotta have a little bit of salt on that broccoli. And a touch of olive oil maybe. Yeah, Okay, so that plate's looking good. There's one more thing that I like to have is just a touch of that smoked New Mexico powder on my potatoes. So yeah, a little extra flavor there. Okay. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Oh yeah, leave a comment. Tell me how that looks. And thanks for breaking bread with me. Oh, that's gonna be good.